Hello, everyone. Welcome to the software demonstration part of the TAS alignment procedure. To reiterate where we are right now, we have turned on our SpectraStar XT, made sure that UScan is open, and the instrument is warming up for at least 2 hours. The sample presentation window is clean. We have the sample ring with the red dot in place in our multi-cup adapter, and we have the multi-cup adapter placed on the instrument so that the silver pins of the instrument are through the 2 holes with the red dots, so that the multi-cup adapter is centered on the sample presentation window. We've also made sure that our TAS standards do not have any foreign materials or anything on them. So with that, we're ready to start the TAS alignment procedure. The TAS alignment is this red icon down in the lower left, the TAS with the wrench, and if you notice, it is disabled. So to get into the TAS alignment, we have to get into the administrative section of the software. And the username and password are both admin. To get in, those are the default credentials. And it gets you back into the administrative section of the software. To get back to the main user interface, just go ahead and press main, and it gets you back to the main user interface. But if you notice now, the TAS alignment icon is enabled. So if we click that, we get a warning that says this cannot be undone. This is approximately a 40-minute procedure. Depending on when you're viewing this video, we have a smaller, a shorter procedure in the works, so it might be about half that, about 20 minutes. Okay, so it says, please make sure UScan has been running at least 2 hours to be warmed up. We'll click OK, and a wizard will lead us through this procedure. So we're going to run all 3 standards for the TAS alignment procedure, starting with the dark standard. So I have the dark standard in place in the sample presentation ring such that the little lugs that are on the outside of the standard match with the little slots in the sample ring so that it's nice and flat and level. And I will go ahead and press OK to run the dark standard. We will speed up the video a little bit for you, but the process will then take us through the remaining 2 standards for the TAS alignment procedure. Okay, and after the dark standard has completed scanning, you will get the message box up to replace the standard with the photometric standard. So I'm placing that on the instrument. Again, I'm aligning the lugs on the outside of the standard with these slots in the sample ring so that it's flat and centered in the sample ring. And then I press OK to scan the photometric standard. And when the photometric standard is done scanning, you will get a message box up like the one here that says, please place the wavelength standard on the sample window. So I will replace the photometric standard with the wavelength standard, again, making sure that the lugs on the side of the standard fit into the sample ring, and I will press OK. So the TAS alignment procedure will scan the wavelength standard, and at the end, it will do some calculations to calculate the alignment for this instrument. Those calculations take several minutes. And when you are done, you will get a message box that comes up that says your TAS calibration has been performed successfully. Okay, and after the last standard has been scanned, you can hear that the instrument is no longer scanning. Right now, it is calculating the corrections that will be saved to the instrument. Please do not press the X, just wait patiently, and in about 3 minutes, the correction will be calculated and stored. Okay, when the TAS alignment is done, and you could see the green progress bar moving across even during the calculation phase, when it's done, it releases the instrument. You can hear that it scanned a reference scan, and then at the end, this information box will come up. It says TAS calibration performed successfully. Press OK. So the instrument is ready to go. Right now, you should proceed to do the TAS diagnostics. This will verify that your TAS alignment set your instrument up and properly, and it's working according to factory specifications. Thank you.